Welcome to this 2-minute video about recording backlog views in SBM. This powerful feature is available to SBM users exclusively in Serena Work Center. Backlog views provide a way to organize, prioritize, and monitor work items for a specific time period. Backlog views show their true power when you use them to aggregate work from various process apps. To do this, let's create a backlog view from the Home context. Provide a name and description. Users you share the backlog with can search for it using this information. Then, choose start and end dates for the period you want to manage work. This might be an agile sprint, a product release, or any time-bound project that needs to be managed. Now, create backlog feeds will add work items to your backlog. First, select the application that contains the work items you want to add to your backlog. Next, select the project that contains your work items. I know my work items are stored in Animation Pro, so I'll pick that project. Now, select users or groups who own the work items you need. In my case, I need work items owned by Laura Engineer and Newton Engineer. Next, add any search criteria to ensure your backlog is populated with relevant items. For example, I need only active items. Now, select fields that show estimate and actual information for each work item in your backlog. Your administrator defines these fields, so you may want to ask which fields are best suited for backlogs. Also, use this page to indicate when items are completed. This helps track completion rates. Finally, save your feed with a name and a description. Once you save your feed, it's automatically added to the backlog. I can also add an existing feed that returns work items assigned to the technical writers for my team. This helps me organize all the work my team needs to complete into one place. Now that your backlog has feeds, share it with groups and teams created by your administrator or with individual users. For example, you may want another user to co-own the backlog. This allows that users to accept items into the backlog and perform the same tasks that you can as backlog owner. Now I'm ready to save my backlog and add it to my home menu. To learn more about backlogs, look for the video on using backlogs in Serena Work Center.